welcome to our documentary about a robber breaking into someone's house, or in other words, how the immune responds to a pathogen or a foreign substance.
Here we have a burglar attempting to enter through the house, but is being blocked by the physical barrier of the doors. You can see that it's a foreigner with its strawberry bag, the antigen.
Another part of the body's first line of defense is its chemical barriers. These include tears, sweat, and etc. And here you can see tears dropped onto the antigen.
You're supposed to just drop it on her. Dorothy, you don't. Dorothy, where's your glasses?
I dropped my glasses because I looked at it.
There you see the burglar attempting to get in and actually bypassing the first barrier, the door. The infection will now spread around and look around. But all suddenly, a fellow American spots it and tries to defend its home and attacks it by engulfing it.
The neutrophils are dispensable cells produced in the bone marrow that rush to the site of incoming bacteria but are easily killed. If the pathogens are able to get past the first line of defense, for example through a cut in your skin, they would have to face the second line of defense, which would become active. But the second line of defense also leads to lots of inflammatory responses, such as like fever, cough, and rashes, which tells the body that there is like something going on and there are symptoms. And here you see the antigen actually turning up the heat in the body. Here we see the antigen messing around in the house, disrupting house peace and just causing the body to not feel very well because there's like an intruder inside.
We have the younger brother spotting the invading pathogen and looks through past experience to try to recognize it. Because it's unrecognizable, he calls for help.
The B cell will hear this cry of help from the helper T cell and will start producing antibodies that will bind the pathogen. Here's the antibody that is typically in a Y shape. Here we see the American / the macrophage struggling to engulf the pathogen. Plasma B cell will then carry the antibody to bind the pathogen.
Here we have the killer T cell inspecting the body, looking for any foreign or invading viruses.
Seems the pathogen was here the whole time and it has already gotten in. Oh no, now the pathogen is infecting all the other body cells.
The killer T cell is a type of T cell that recognizes and destroys body cells by releasing proteins that create large holes in the target cell membrane.
So the bullets in the gun. Memory cells act as a military intelligence that keeps a blueprint of the encountered invader's antigen to make the immune response quicker next time the particular antigen enters the body. We see the memory T cell putting up posters for next time to remember. The pressure T cell will then send a chemical response to the B cell to stop producing antibodies and return the body back to normal. And the body lived healthily ever after. Credits!